Hi friends, this is Vikas. Welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to do review of Osaka brand product camera filter. This camera filter is available in different coating and different sizes. So first of all I am going to show you a first 52 MCUV filter. This is 4-layer MCUV filter of Osaka brand. And this is Osaka ultra thin filter XS Pro 1 filter. This is 12-layer filter, and this 12-layer Osaka brand filter has 99% transparency. So the next filter is CPL 52 filter. This filter is also used for removing reflection from non-metallic surfaces. And the last one is ND4 filter. It is used to block the lightning to enter in the camera. Now I am going to mount this filter on the camera. Now I am going to show you. Before I start further, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you will get necessary update in future also. Now we are mounting 4-layer 52 filter on lens. Now you can see that Osaka branding on the filter. It protects the lens from UV rays, dust, moisture, scratches and fingerprints. Move the filter to the lens thread. Now we are removing this filter. Next we are installing 12-layer MCUV ultra slim filter. 12-layer coating allows 99 light transmittance, which resulting in sharp images. Just see without UV filter and with UV filter image. Here you can find the Osaka branding on the filter. Ultra thin ring is designed to avoid vignetting issue which occurs with super wide lenses. So in vignetting issue, darkening of image corner when compared to the center, it is caused by attachment not properly designed for the use with camera. To prevent vignetting, please ensure that the compatible lens attachment, and if it is not proper then crop the images from edges. You can check pricing and compatibility lens detail in description box. Now we are inserting CPL filter into the lens thread. You can see the Osaka branding on the filter. It removes the reflection from non-metallic surface such as water, glass, etc. It enhances the color and grab the ambient light that is reflected away from the camera lens. Just check it out the image after using CPL filter. Now you can see that there is no reflection on the plants. Now check another image. You can find out the with after using CPL filter there is a image of water without reflection. Finally we are showing you an ND4 filter. ND filter is better at blocking light. ND filter is to allow flexibility to change the aperture exposure time in different situations. ND2 is equal to 1 f-stop, ND4 is equal to 2 f-stop, and ND8 is equal to 3 f-stops. Let's see some images. In this image you can see different ND2 filter performances. Now you can capture the waterfall images better. Thanks for watching this video.